The red-bellied woodpecker is 9.4 inches. It is about the same size as the hairy woodpecker. The red-bellied woodpecker is mostly pale with a bold black and white striped tail. The red-bellied woodpecker's chest and belly has a light cream color. The red-bellied woodpecker does not have a red belly. Its belly is a light cream color. The male red-bellied woodpecker has a gray face and gray underparts. It has a rounded capped head. The nape and the forehead of the male is also red. It has a long, pointy black beak. When in flight, white patches near the wingtips are visible. The female red-bellied woodpecker has a red nape, but its head and face is gray. The red-bellied woodpecker is found year-round in the eastern part of the United States. It inhabits eastern woodlands and forests. It also lives in wooded suburbans including oak history forest, pine hardwood forest, maple and tulip poplar stands, and pine flatwoods. The red-bellied woodpecker eats spiders and insects. It also might eat acorns, nuts, and pine cones. It sometimes eats lizards, baby birds, and minnows. This is the red-bellied woodpecker's call.